Morning, social media. It's Dr. Steve. So today I want to go over an antioxidant that has been gaining popularity in the natural healthcare world, which is NAD for its anti-aging purposes. And so what NAD stands for is nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide, and it's an antioxidant, but it's made up of L-tryptophan and B3 or niacin, and so those molecules comprise and make up the NAD. So I'm always a bigger component to allowing your body to make the antioxidants needs. But when you're searching for this supplement, if you were going to take it, there's a couple different forms you can purchase, and one is just NAD, which is the reduced form and accepts a hydrogen atom, and you have NADPH, which donates a hydrogen atom. So there's two different ones, right? So there's two different use cases. If we're going to use NAD, right, it donates a hydrogen atom, and we would use that in somebody who had excess hydroxyl radicals being created because they had some genetic variances that maybe weren't helping them make enough glutathione to cancel out the ammonia, somewhere in that case. NADPH, since it donates an atom, its main job is the synthesis of carbohydrates, as well as it has some antioxidant capabilities. It controls immune function and can regulate gene expression. So there's some use cases for both, and we need to know what's going on, because we need to know, do we need the hydrogen atom? Do we need to take away the hydrogen atom, right? Do we need more oxidation occurring to deal with infections and create an immune response, or do we need to lower the immune system? And, so there's a big difference, and we need to know, and that's why I look at gene expression and genetic SNPs, these single nucleotide polymorphisms in our DNA, to find out what we actually need to do and why we have more inflammation, or why we're not able to sleep, why we're not making the neurotransmitters, because all that factors makes a difference. You cannot do a cookie cutter approach. You can't just do Dr. Google and figure out your problem and say, I'm going to take this antioxidant and solve my problem, because you might actually create more problems for yourself by doing that. If you do it right, you can slow the aging process and actually limit the senescence of cells, or death of cells. But you got to know what you're doing. So make sure you go out, get your 23andMe, get your genetic report, and I can go through in the office. I can analyze that and break that down and figure out what we need to do to address your certain health concerns, or deal with anti-aging and slow that aging process for you. Go to protouchrehab.com. You can find my contact info. Subscribe to my YouTube at Dr. Steve Spencer, and we can get you going on the right plan. All right, guys, take care.